Hello, this is Jacqueline from Jack Knits, and today we're going to learn how to do the central double decrease stitch. Okay, so the central double decrease stitch is a beautiful central decrease that gives you this beautiful line of decreases down the center of your work that is not left or right leaning decrease, but just gives this beautiful decrease right down the center. It also provides this really pretty shape to your knitting as well. So let's learn how to do this. If you run across this in your pattern, it will be abbreviated CDD. So this is how to do that central double decrease. Let me knit up to that spot where we're going to do the decrease, and then I'll show you how it's done. Okay, we're at the point where we're going to do our double decrease, and we're one stitch before this line of decreases, so that's where it will be done in your knitting. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our right needle and we're going to insert it as if to knit into both of these stitches. So it's almost as if to knit two together, right? That's exactly how you would knit two together. But instead of knitting it, you're just going to slip it off your left needle onto your right needle. So now I've got those two stitches on my right needle. The next stitch we're going to do is a knit stitch. Then we're going to take those two stitches we previously slipped over to the right needle, grab them with our left needle, and pass them over that first knit stitch. So now you have this beautiful line of two decreases, the central double decrease. It just provides for a really neat and beautiful line of decreases. So let me show you how to do that again. You're always going to be doing this decrease on the right side of the fabric. So I'm going to knit to the end here, and then I'll knit across, or I'll purl across actually on my wrong side. And then let's show you how to do that one more time. Okay, here I am ready at the spot where I want to do that double decrease again. So let's insert our needle into both of these stitches as if we're going to knit two together, but just slip them off your needle, then knit one stitch. Now we're going to take those slip stitches and pass them over that knit stitch that we just did. And there you have your central double decrease. Now this stitch can also be referred to as a slip two, knit one, pass over stitch, and that is exactly the same as the central double decrease. So if you see it in the pattern, referred to it in this fashion, the slip two, knit one, pass over, you'll know that this is exactly how you do it. So that's how you do that central double decrease. It makes for a beautiful central line, and also again this beautiful shape on this. So if you like this stitch, don't forget to follow me to see all sorts of new knitting techniques and tips or creative patterns and stitches. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy knitting.